Hey y'all, for this video I'm going to show you another version of making a zine. For this zine, I use a rectangular sheet of paper and fold it hot dog style to create two sheets that I then use to create an individual zine out of each one. So first, go ahead and fold your paper hot dog style. Teachers, you can prep this by doing this for your students in advance. Otherwise, go ahead and fold that and create those creases. I like to cut my paper manually without scissors because I find that it creates less rigidness or mistakes in my cuts. So go ahead and do that, or whatever is preferable to you, and then fold the paper in half, making sure that the edges are touching. Once that is folded, you're going to fold the flaps inside and flip it around and do the same on the other side. And just like that, you have a simple book that you can use to decorate and put any types of ideas, themes, or intentions in. You can use this to create a book about rocks or the ocean. I use mine to create a small book on the 7 elements of art. And I use construction paper, Sharpies, and pens to illustrate all of those 7 elements. One of the things that I love the most about this book is that once it's done, you can prop it up and view it in that way. You can also scan this and share it with your friends. This is a simpler way of creating a small book and a fun way to be creative and share some simple ideas or anything that you'd like to share. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 videos on how to make zines and are able to use them to create your own. Thank you.